Wetin be this? No, that they talk and I say if person no get money, they pour water because of this carton that you are driving.
Sorry.
No wahala.
Sorry.
But Oga, you don't try. And you reach junction where water there and you go slow down. And see where you just baff us now.
Sorry, bros. Now mistake, bros. I beg.
I don't want peace. No, don't leave me. I want problems. Always. So you go try this rubbish with me. I never read my answer. Open the car now. Get out now. Come over here.
Bros, I beg.
Why get out?
Thank you, bros.
And that time you go finish you.
I beg,
They go, no go. Leave them. Now there for one. Now there for this. You go leave me make a leak that tire. Rubbish. All right, a very good afternoon to you, most distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. All protocols are duly observed. Once again, you are all welcome to this atmosphere of merriment and conviviality. So, before I go any further, ladies and gentlemen, I think it is a requisite I properly introduce myself. My name is Onyame the Senator, the comedian. Thank you. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Solo Catering Services. Tata Ibo Kwenu. Tata Ibo Kwenu.
No drink. You were not informed too.
Bokweni. Hope say no be only Igbo people go give food for here.
No. Àwọn Yorùbá mo kí gbogbo yín o. Hausa hangeje kufa. Hangeje. Now Caterer when they try, now everybody they chopping food. Yes, so Caterer, let the food rain. That is item 7.
Oh.
Are you playing?
This man.
Where they worry you?
They go chop, I be no chop.
Face your front. See your face.
70 years old man. You don't know why it's going.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, when I don't chop, when I don't drink, all of us don't enjoy. My next thing remain on your the Senator. I go see you some other time.
Funny people.
See, your performance tough well. I go use you.
Thank you.
I like get your number. Take my own. I go.
You be bad person.
Zero.
Yeah, your picture. I be bad person. They look fake before now they share food. We get people.
Who carry they go? Who get her?
Now dog food. They all the chop with me.
Anti-remnant.
MC, how far now?
Fine.
Which side they go?
We dey go estate gate.
Now MC I dey talk to.
I dey go junction, sir.
No one.
Okay. I be open boot abeg.
Fire.
Oga abeg, open am sorry.
Enter me.
Thank you. Caterer. All right, good night.
You think say they wise?
Now, John, abeg now.
Oh.
Hey, Oga, na my phone. My phone. Bring am.
Nothing.
Oga, na meat and rice.
Open up.
Thanks, man.
Look that side.
Move.
Hey, Jesus.
am mumu na too much. You be mumu. You think say you dey wise? Mumu man. We must learn a lesson.
No, na me fuck up.
Our in-laws will soon be here.
Okay.
Here they come.
Today we will now know the real one as will allow my daughter.
Alalo.
You will handicap.
In-law. Alright, guy, now done. You no go greet, you just a big greet. You no fit open my greet. Ava. I'm gonna sit down now. My in-law place, please. I'm gonna sit down.
Okay.
Right there.
I check though.
I don't even get check. Stand up, my sit down. I don't know come so. Stand up, he give me a check.
Don't worry, stand up first. Let him down, in-law. Let him sit down first.
Oh.
In-law, come and sit down, please.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Hope you dey okay.
Boss, everything okay.
Correct. Ava, don't discharge you.
Ah, no, now. Just
Now,
relax.
in-law,
Relax. We'll come back to the drink later. But, in-law, this is why you are just chewing gum up and down. What happened now?
No, anytime when I drink or smoke, I dey like the chew gum so that I take catch fresh breath. As we dey talk now, check the person better thing. No, that's not a problem. That's not a problem.
If I heard you well, you mean you drink?
Yes.
And you smoke?
By the grace of God, yes.
All right. Gift.
Yes, Daddy.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you.
This is my bala. My bala.
Oh.
Gift. Do you know these people?
Yes, I do.
Which among them here is your friend?
That is my friend.
This one.
I'm mainly the squad. Now my man with this.
So we can accept the drink, Abi?
Oh wow.
All right. So, if it's here.
Ava, where my cigar?
Papa, I did inside car.
Yes, smoking. Guys, I can. Those are not they like the stay without smoking.
No.
In-law.
Hey,
So you still want to smoke? Right in front of me?
Yes.
sir,
We must
sorry, it's not
learn
intentional.
a lesson.
You know, I started drinking and smoking when I was in prison. Ever since I cannot do without it.
Oh.
Wow. No problem. But I think this whole thing is getting more interesting now. My brother,
No.
what really took you to prison?
Okay, you know, as you see me so, I not get patient.
Okay.
And I dey very hot-tempered. My bala no. You know, the man where I be want marry in daughter, he dey give me stress, and I hate stress. Now I am.
Lord of Jesus.
But no, you not get into the fear. Don't worry, we don't settle that matter. Abi. So make we go ask her now. Say when we go come collect list. Abi. So
It can take your money eventually.
Really?
Yeah, for vanishing.
Where your papa?
This man